Stop bleeding money on your API calls. If you're still stuffing monolithic prompts into the current GPT models, you are paying a premium for inefficiency. The GPT-5.6 Sol drop is the inflection point. It's not a discount, it's an invitation to refactor. Most applications treat the LLM as a black box endpoint. They throw in all their data, ask for magic, and accept the bill at the end. This approach assumes linear scaling, but in reality, cost scales exponentially with poor input hygiene. The first leak is always the context window. If you're passing operational data, user history, and instructions all in one go, you are paying for noise. We need to move from shotgun prompting to surgical intelligence. The refactoring starts with prompt engineering. Stop using the LLM as a search engine and start treating it as a reasoning kernel. Define strict roles, use XML tags for structure, and enforce output constraints. This precision allows you to move from dump and pray prompting to high-density, low-cost instructions. You are maximizing the signal-to-noise ratio per token spent. But prompt optimization is only half the battle. The true scalability comes from context management, specifically, implementing retrieval-augmented generation, or RAG. RAG replaces the need to carry your entire corporate knowledge base in every request. You are now fetching only the crucial few paragraphs needed to ground the answer, dramatically shrinking the active context window. This shifts the compute burden from expensive inference to cheap vector search. The cost-benefit analysis changes completely, making high volume profitable. Once your prompt is lean and your context retrieval is surgical, you tackle volume. The next upgrade isn't prompting, it's asynchronous batching. Instead of firing off requests serially as users interact, you collect them into dynamic batches that match the optimal input size for the model, minimizing per call overhead. This parallelization is critical for throughput. It ensures your latency remains predictable, even as your overall volume scales into the thousands of requests per minute. Finally, the highest leverage architectural move, moving from a monolithic chain to a multi-agent system. Don't use one model for everything. Use cheap, fast models for filtering and routing. Use the expensive, powerful model only for complex synthesis or final decision-making. This is cost optimization via specialization. The shift from LLM worker to orchestrator is the difference between a hobby project and a monetizable enterprise product. Your application is no longer dependent on the LLM's sheer power, it relies on your system's intelligence to guide, filter, and constrain its usage.